Hey, what's good guys, it's your boy Phone to review on our video, and this video guys I'm going to be reviewing this Aimus game controller for PUBG. So Aimus sent me this product, so I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing right now, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so here you have the package. So as you can see here it says K1 and one pair mobile game controller for one PC phone gamepad from Aimus. Can take that off. It says K1 here. So here these are the handles. Just that's as it says here L, so that's for the left side, and here it says R, so that's for the right side. And just connect them like this. For example, once your phone is in, for example, just have an iPhone 7 here, for example, and it's elastic, so actually it goes up to, if you have an iPhone 8 Plus or something, it's still gonna fit, so that's good. It goes a range from 4.5 to 6-inch devices, so all these devices should be supported. So that's an iPhone 7 for just demonstration. Apart from that, guys, there's this important thing here, K01 says. Just gonna take that off the tape. Here, guys, you have the trick to it. That's what makes it important. These are the switches. Put one on each side of the phone. Just gonna show you here. So I'm just gonna take this off. So guys, once you place this, you gotta just place it like exactly that's to the left side. And now it's there. So that's how you use it. I'm just gonna put all here and show you. And here you have it. I'm gonna go for PUBG. So now, yeah, the grip feels good. It feels like just like you have a game controller here, and it really helps, especially since PUBG has the options where you can actually move some buttons. So I'm just gonna move the scoop and aiming, for example. I'm gonna give that a try. So just gonna skip forward until the thing loads. So I took off the controller here to show you that clearly how to change everything here, the controls here in settings and customize. So I have here my fire button and my scoop, just gonna make that a bit bigger. And then just bring in these to make sure that the location is just right. As you can see, this is the part where it actually touches the screen. Once you click. So it fits perfectly. And let me just check the other one. So it's pretty simple, guys. These are made, I think, of stainless steel. These buttons, triggers here. So yeah, and this one fits perfectly. Just gonna put it back on and play something. Because as you can see here, I'm in a match here. So I can actually punch while actually moving around. So that's something, but I can't really scoop yet because I don't have any weapons. So I'm just gonna skip forward until I. Alright guys, here I finally got a weapon. I'm just gonna show you that I can finally scoop, move, and actually shoot at the same time at once. So just like as if I'm playing a PlayStation or Xbox, which makes the game way easier and more fun to play. Okay, I'm out. But really, it makes the game feel more alive. I mean, guys, you enjoy it more definitely if you're using such a controller. Makes a big difference actually. Instead of just using it with touch and just suffering there, clicking on a lot of things at the same time, this actually makes it easier. Definitely. I really love this product. It's really good for PUBG.